Welcome to another week of Pree Di Survival with Casmar. And this week we're coming to you guys from the University of the West Indies Mona campus at the Spot Bar and Grill. We're checking it out, it's brand new. Of course, we're going to be bringing you guys the latest in Jamaica's entertainment and lifestyle. So don't go nowhere because we'll have it for the next half an hour. We're taking over your television screens. Hey, yo, Pree Dis starts right now. All right, Pree Dis, we made our way inside the kitchen, and of course, my fan told my food that we're going to because I ordered the chicken Alfredo. I want to see it be prepared for myself. So we have the chef right now. What's your name? Where are you from?
Delano, I'm from Kingston.
All right, so Delano, walk on. Everything good?
Yes, man.
All right, so talk to us about the chicken Alfredo. What makes this so different from every other restaurant?
Well, it's a very authentic dish from the Italian cuisine, and it's the #1.
It's the #1 choice. All right, talk to us about the stool you call it, right? What's the proper name for it? Because I'm not sure entirely. What's the proper name for it?
It's steamed fish, actually.
Steamed fish?
Yeah.
So you know what I'm saying about steamed fish in Jamaica, and if you want to get the thing right, you eat some stool, all right? Yes. All right, so the food tastes good?
Very good.
All right, so I can't wait. So I'm going to leave the kitchen right now and get up to speed with what's going on in Jamaica. Now remember, University of the West Indies popping. And students have been longing for a long time to find somewhere they can chill, so they can hang out and they can get good music and vibe. Well, the Spot is the right place for you guys, so check it out. You want to know more about the Spot? Listen up.
Yeah, well, black, girl, them fat, go on, bad when you tune them drop. One just chop and bust her head back. When treat vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl, them a say Gaza party bad. Girl, that shit like a butter bag. Zamunda gone with 41. I go short in her hand, me no want see no man a party.
We're elevating the standard of entertainment on campus. I mean, gone are the days when it's just a block drink up or a hall drink up, but now we're bringing for persons that want a teacher, any known sports bar on campus. We're bringing that in terms of where entertainment is concerned, where food is concerned, and where drink is concerned. So you're not just going to come and get your brew or your normal mixed drink. Any sort of mixes that you want, anything at all, and you will get here. So we're bringing an A-class, a premium sports bar and grill on the campus.
Yeah, well, black, girl, them fat, go on, bad when you tune them.
In any business at all, you'll do some sort of market research to find out exactly what the people want. At the end of the day, you're doing the business for the people. So you need to go out there and find out what exactly they want. So we did some research in terms of the food that we have on campus. As you can see, what we're all having here is unique on campus. Nowhere else you can go and get wings. Nowhere else you can go and get pasta, especially, chicken Alfredo, the Scotiabank chicken Alfredo, which is top of the line. Nowhere else you can go and get stir-fried pasta as well. So definitely we did some research where that is concerned. Our weekly event where one day we have live music, a different day karaoke, a different day party, or whether it is a games night. So we did some research, find out what the people want. And these are various things that have been lacking as it relates to entertainment on campus for university students overall, but mainly UWI students, as that's where we're located, so that's where our primary audience is concerned. So we did research, find out what exactly the people will want, and we give it to them at the best package possible with the best price, of course.
One just chop and bust her head back. When treat vibes bust up in her head top.
Our prices are very affordable for students. When we're setting the prices, that was our main factor that we considered, that students, they get lunch monies and so forth, so our prices are very affordable. We have our meals are between $300 to like $520 maximum, so it's very affordable for students.
Party mad, girl, they must say Gaza party bad, girl, that shit like a boat.
Our opening hours are Mondays through to Saturdays, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. and on Sundays from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m.
With them a party pan, them say the world party mad, the party done. Girl, them love all my.
So pretty much the Spot, indulge your way, as our tagline is the place for everyone We're primarily for UWI students. Also, we welcome alumni, where we do a lot of promotion and marketing for alumni. But it's really, we welcome everyone, you know. It's a friendly atmosphere, whether you want to watch Champions League match, EPL, anything at all, as it relates to sports, entertainment, lifestyle, food and drink. The spot is your spot.
Now, Pree Di Scoop, you don't know we have the latest in entertainment. It's what's happening in the world. Now, listen up. Now, there's something going on between Assassin and Vybz Kartel. Something really took place between the two of them at the Shocking Vibes studio. Now, nobody else is talking about it, but we really want to know. What go on? Assassin and Vybz Kartel, talk to him, man. Now, Pree Di Scoop, who is to be blamed for what took place recently at the 007 studios, where a man was allegedly shot and killed after an altercation between reggae artist Egyptian and wannabe producer DJ Frost. Now, we want to see how this one plays out. Pree Di Scoop. Of course, the buzz on Sting 2011 is already on, and of course we hear that a top US rapper is set to make his appearance in Jam World Portmore. And of course there's also going to be a week of activities leading up to Sting itself. So it's going to be like a niggle weekend in Sting. So check this, Pree Di Scoop. Alright, so we're still at the Spot Sports Bar and Grill. Of course, we're vibing right here, playing some pool, we're kicking back. And right now we're going to get into our gospel segment. This week, let's check in with gospel artist Kevin Smith, Pree Dis.
And I, no matter where you come from, I could have jammed down Africa or England.
A ray of hope, a change, hearts rearrange, the power of love lies in love. If we just work together, love one another, we will live
and I used to
a better tomorrow.
Reggae music before. When I got saved, and you know, I figured that I used to write road songs. When I got saved, I figured that, guess what? I got to show them song here, because in the church, you know, sir, hymns and all of them things. And then me hear about Papa San and Stitchy. And then them time I start write my 1 and 2 lyrics, you know, and sing them at concerts and so forth. But after 2000 chip in, I have to let it go because I work. Then 2005, I met Nicholas. But Karen Ennis used to go to my church before, and I met Nicholas through Karen Ennis. Yeah, man. And from there, me love the love of the music. 2 years after that, me just say, you know what, keep on coming back to me.
No matter where you come from, I could have jammed down Africa.
There's a lot of favor. At the same time, it is really rough. Because, you know, my songs that come from me, I know that they are inspired by God himself. And sometimes when you do your song, good songs, and them not getting the airplay, you feel discouraged. But I understand that that's how it go with young artists.
No matter where you come from, I could have jammed down Africa.
I never thought about it. It dropped in my spirit from a vision from God. You know that, first of all, I work in Antigua Bay sometimes. And God dropped in my spirit that, you know, evil is rising in this land, in this place in Jamaica. And if my people don't turn to me, then I'm going to destroy Moby. You know what I mean? And after that dropping on my spirit, I start to really travel for Moby. And God said, go preach to the people them. Before him said, go preach to the people them, him send another vision about a plane crash. The next day, I tell it to my brother, and him never believe me, so I never utter it to nobody else. Then a week and 2 days after that, here Jamaica crash. And same way all my vision that the plane crash, same way it happened. And then we just start run with the vision. The name Better Tomorrow didn't came just yet, but we just start run with the vision. And God said, here we go preach to the people them. I'm gonna start preaching to the people them in the street until it become a little outreach where we set up some speaker box and stuff, and you know, and bring down some artists.
No matter where you come from, I could have jammed down Africa.
We're working on DJ Nicholas' album, which is coming out, you know, the 29th of October, his album launch. You know, we're working on this project, A Better Tomorrow. Even though the song finished, there's still a lot of work, a lot of groundwork to get the song out there to the people, because we believe it is a good song, and Jamaica really need a better tomorrow. You know what I mean? The Bible said the whole duty of man is to serve God and keep his commandments, because that's the only way we can come alive. Because Adam died, right? And Jesus came to redeem us back to him. So that the only way we can come alive is to accept the King. And that's how we're going to get rid of all of the foolishness we are going.
All right, so they don't know the pool game, kind of rough right now. I'm going to take a little break. We're at the bar, but my favorite place, you know, we're still at the Sports Bar and Grill. We're going to take our first commercial break. And we'll get back, we have a lot more right here on Pree Dis. Don't move a muscle.